Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my plan with me for the week of December 23rd through the 29th. This is going to be my last Happy Planner layout in this planner. I'm moving to my new one that I bought for 2020. So that's really cool. I'm really excited to jump into a whole new planner, even though I don't know why it's such a big deal. But it's just fun to start a new one. And 2020 I just feel like it's going to be a really amazing year. So I'm really excited. So let's just tell you what I got. So I have this is my inspiration piece for this week. It's Home Merry Home. And this came from this paper pad that I bought at Michael's. I did a full flip through of this on a haul video, which I'll try to really remember to link it right here. Hopefully it'll come up right now. And I pulled that from here. And I also pulled the plaid paper that's here. This paper came from a different paper pack. But it's also in that haul video too. So if you look at the haul video, you'll know which paper pack it is. I don't know if they still have them, but okay. So I just pulled a lot of stuff. I just kind of pulled like this little thing. This came from the Target Dollar Spot last year. I have a couple little house die cuts. I have this little die cut. I don't know what I'm going to use. I just pulled a bunch of stuff that I thought I might want to use. So I thought I had an idea. So this is going to be my journaling card, which we'll talk about in a minute. And then I like this. I have this little thing, but I don't know how I'm going to incorporate it. I don't even know if I can incorporate it, but I just have it. So, okay, so let's go ahead and dive in and show you what I was thinking about doing. I kind of did like a little test run to see if it was going to work. Okay. So I cut this little piece out of the paper, of the little house paper. Let me erase my pencil mark. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them kind of on the paper. And then I'm going to also use this plaid paper as well as kind of an accent piece. So that's going to happen there. And then I've got another one I'm going to cut out here. And I just kind of mapped out like where I wanted to cut it. I'm going to go over just a little bit. I'm going to try to get it straight. I've been cutting things so crooked lately. So let me see. I just want to have at least one or two little doors. Wow, I just got my nail polish all over the side of that page. Okay. So I'm going to mark it where I want to cut it. And then I think I'm just going to cut it straight across right here. Uh-oh. I have a pencil, so I need to erase that. Okay. So then I can put another one right here. This right here. That right there. And then we have another piece of this. I'll put this down below. Actually, no. Let me put it up here. Okay, and then I want to just cut out one more door. So I have the one with that. I have the one with the mistletoe. I like the wreath. So I think I'm going to do the wreath. So I'm just going to kind of set this on there and do it as kind of a template. Okay, and then this is going to go here. That's going to go here. Maybe I actually want to put this here. Okay, so I've got this I kind of figured out. Now I need to figure out how I'm going to make this side kind of be more balanced. Now I'm probably going to want to put something down here. I'm going to cut a piece of this black just to see if I like it. I feel like I just need another piece of this plaid. So that's the layout. So now here is the tricky part. I'm going to actually make these doors that open. Or at least that's my hope. All right, let's see if this works. This is a little We Are Memory Keepers cutting mat thing with the magnet. And the door opens this way, so I need to cut it this way. So I'm literally just gonna cut along the side. And then I thought what I could do is put like a little sticker or something in there. And I don't know if I want to do it to all of them, but I definitely want to do it to these two. So I'll do it to these two first, and then we'll see if we're going to do it to that other door. All right, so I got my plan, my little doors cut out. I think that's so cute. So I need to make sure that I glue them pretty secure. I feel like I could fold them a little bit more, but I don't want them to completely pop open. I definitely want them to look like they're open, they're a door. And I don't know what stickers I want to put behind them, but I don't know if I should put the stickers behind them before I close it. I probably should figure out what stickers I want behind them, because I might want it underneath the space. Okay, so let me do this. Let me put these on. Okay, let me get the plaid paper and this paper glued on, and then I'm going to figure out what stickers I want behind the doors. I definitely want one on the 25th that says Merry Christmas. And I don't know about the other dates. Okay, so I found these stickers. I lost my Mambi sticker book. I don't know where it is. I think I'm going to try to use these stickers. So I got everything else glued down. I'm going to go ahead and get these stickers on and then glue them down. So I think I will use... I think I like the Santa Claus one, so I'm going to put the Santa Claus down. I'm going to like have him peeking out the door. Okay, that's cute. Then there's a little Santa Claus in there. Okay, so I'm going to do that one there. And then, let's see. I think I'm going to do the Christmas tree. I'm going to have to cut the Christmas tree, though. Because the tree skirt is going to make it too long. So let's put this one kind of right there. And then a little Christmas tree there. That's not, is that where I wanted that one? No, that's not where I wanted that. I wanted this one to be down here. Okay, I think I'm going to cut it a little bit more. Okay, and then that one has a little tree in there. And then for this one, I think I'm kind of thinking about doing the little horse, or maybe the little presents. I think I'll do the present one. Okay, so now that I got those stickers on, I'm going to get these glued down. And then it's going to be sticker time. So I'm going to go ahead and work on my journal card now. And what I decided to do, I have this one so I have this journal card, and then I also have this journal card, and I'm just going to put them together. And I have these little die cuts. Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. I thought it might be cute to have them kind of hanging off of this little thing. I'm kind of doing it a little bit topsy-turvy. Let's see, do I like that? I kind of like that. I don't know. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put these little tab things on. So I kind of want it a little bit high up so these, when they sit on here, won't be like off the page. All right. So now that I have those in place, I'm going to glue these together. And then I think I'm just going to put some strip of glue right here. And then just get these kind of adhered on. I think I need to make sure it's lined up properly. Cute. All right, so there is it done. Let me go ahead and get it into the planner. I still am in love with this one. I think this is my favorite one I've done this year. But I will be doing a flip through of my completed planner for 2019, probably sometime next week is when I'm hoping that will go up. If not, then definitely the first week of the year. But I like how this one turned out. I love the little doors. I think that's so cute, little interactive element. And then my little home, Merry Home. Yeah, so that is all done. And I will see you again next week in my new 2020 planner. All right, bye for now.